What's up mga trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, Nadek Wigimia got surprised from Mommy Maypla and his girlfriend Urasaya. Rosa's beer band was went at Konken to surprise her boyfriend Nadek. She buys a delicious cake that's perfect for the celebration. Instagram post, Mami Michael posted on Instagram a short video clip of them that shows they're all happy and Mami Michael says with the caption, haven't seen this picture and video in a long time smiling until my cheeks are happy.
ขอบคุณครับเย้
Mami Michael also said, I love you big time at Urasayas at Rubinias. Yesterday, before Nadek was going home, Nadek serves his co-worker meals and ice cream and pizza for his birthday.
เอารสช็อกโกแลตค่ะ No ไม่โอ้
As you can see, Nadek tries to get it perfect when he was serving.
ใช่ใช่ไหม
Nadek Gimia
โอ้ขอบคุณค่ะ
looked so happy. He also sings and greeted Nadek a happy
เรา
birthday.
อย่าดูรูป
ใช้ช้อนตักนะครับพี่อ้อม
Gimia can't hide his happiness, especially when he receives a lot of gifts, that a lot of food like pizza, ice cream, and tea.